With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, in this question it is given that an object of mass m, radius is r, performing pure rolling motion on the smooth horizontal surface under the action of the constant force F as shown in figure. The object may be, and the options are, we can see, disc, ring, solid cylinder, and hollow sphere. Clear? So how we can identify this? First of all, we have to find this moment of inertia. From moment of inertia, we can identify the object is disc, ring, solid cylinder, or the hollow sphere. So how we can find this? Force is given, that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Clear? This is the equation first we can assume. Also, torque is equal to what? I into alpha. Clear? And this torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance from this force, and this is equal to what? R. So this Fr is equal to I into alpha, we can write, and we know that alpha is equal to this, alpha is equal to, we can write this is equal to A by R. Clear? A by R. So if we put this value, and force is equal to what? M into this mass into acceleration. So from here we can write this F is equal to this mass into acceleration, and R is equal to I, and alpha is equal to what? A by R. Clear? So from here we can say this A and A cancel out to each other. So moment of inertia I is equal to this mr square. Clear? So this moment of inertia I is equal to mr square, and this is the moment of inertia of a ring. It means we can say that this object is what? A ring. Means option B, option second, is the right option for this question. Clear? Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.